If Chrome is showing the internet disconnected error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple fixes you can try step by step to get Chrome back online fast. We'll clear the cache and cookies, check your LAN and proxy settings, reset your network settings, temporarily turn off antivirus, and power cycle your router. These fixes solve the issue for many users, and the best part is that you can follow along even if you're not very technical. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's start with the simplest fix, which is clearing Chrome cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become corrupted and cause connection problems. To do this, open Chrome and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This will open the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure you select cookies and other site data, and also cached images and files. Then change the time range to all time so Chrome clears everything that might be causing the issue. Once that's selected, click Delete Data. After the process finishes, close Chrome completely and restart it. In many cases, this alone can resolve the disconnected error. If Chrome still shows the same problem, the next thing to check is your LAN and proxy settings. Sometimes a proxy server or incorrect automatic network setting can interfere with Chrome's ability to stay connected. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and type Internet Options, then open it. In the Internet Properties window, click the Connections tab, then select LAN Settings. Here, look for Use a Proxy Server for your LAN and make sure that box is unchecked. Also, make sure Automatically Detect Settings is checked. These settings help Chrome and Windows use the correct connection path. After that, click OK to save the changes, then close the windows and try Chrome again. Now let's move on to resetting your network settings. If your DNS cache, IP configuration, or WinSock settings are corrupted, Chrome may think the internet is disconnected even when your connection is actually fine. To reset these settings, open the Start menu, type CMD and press Enter to open Command Prompt. You'll need to type 3 commands one by one, pressing Enter after each one. First, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears the DNS cache. Next, type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. This refreshes your IP address. Then type netease winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the winsock catalog, which can fix deeper network issues. After running these commands, restart your computer so the changes can fully take effect. If the problem is still there, another thing you can try is temporarily turning off your antivirus. Some security programs can be a little too aggressive and block Chrome's internet access by mistake. Open your antivirus software and pause protection for a few minutes or temporarily disable it just long enough to test Chrome. Then open Chrome and see if the internet works again. If it does, you may need to adjust your antivirus settings or add Chrome to the allowed list. Just remember to turn your antivirus back on right after testing so your device stays protected. Next, let's power cycle your router. This is one of the most effective fixes for many internet connection problems because it fully refreshes your modem and a router. To do this properly, unplug the power cables from both your modem and your router. Wait at least 30 seconds so the devices can fully discharge. Then plug the modem back in first and wait until the lights stabilize. After that, plug the router back in and give it a few minutes to start up completely. Once everything is online again, open Chrome and try loading a web page. In many cases, this simple reboot restores the connection instantly. If Chrome still says internet disconnected after trying all of these steps, the issue may be with your ISP, a Windows network configuration problem, or another extension interfering with the browser. But for most users, one of these fixes will get things working again. The key is to go through them in order, because the easiest solution is often the one that works. So to recap, clear Chrome cache and cookies, check your LAN and proxy settings, reset your network with Command Prompt, temporarily disable antivirus, and power cycle your router. These are the main fixes that can resolve the Chrome internet disconnected error quickly and safely. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.